Aren't you just fed up of boring, flavorless, dry fish ruining your dining experience? This version is juicy, buttery, and melts in your mouth, paired with a silky smooth creamed spinach with homemade crème fraîche, an umami-packed miso brown butter sauce, and crunchy croutons with artisanal bread. Coating them in garlic oil, seasoning with kosher salt, and throwing them in the oven at 350 for 8 minutes. Moving on to the star of the dish, the cod. Using a medium-sized pan, neutral oil, and bring it up to medium-high heat, we're going to be coloring both sides for about 3 minutes or until golden brown, and placing it in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. We'll then be sweating our shallots and garlic, sauteing our spinach just until wilted before adding in our homemade crème fraîche, of which you can make the day before. Once your baked cod is ready, deglaze your pan with white wine, reduce it by half, make your beurre noisette, and whisk it with your miso broth. If you enjoyed the video and even tried this recipe at home, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're wondering what recipes to make next at home, check one of these, and I'll see you in the next video.